Hello guys. Today I am going to show you very interesting thing in Microsoft Excel. Most of the time we work on Excel and we have to make our database, but sometimes we write the names and text, but it comes out, and after that we fix all these things. So today I am going to show you how can you fit your text automatically, the entire workbook. So like now I wrote this, so now I have to go there, I have to make it this, then I write something here, I have to write, I have to click this. So I don't want to do all these things. I just want to type, and I need automatically it choose the space for the columns or the rows. So for this, what we have to do, the first we have to go to sheet here, and here we will choose view code. From the view code, we will choose the worksheet, and here we will write cells dot entire wor- sorry entire columns, because we have to change the space for the columns, dot auto fit. This is auto fit. So we will write this here, and now we will close the sheet. Now again we are on Excel, and now you can see the magic. We write this, we write here. You can see now it's automatically fits. Before we were fixing this. So this thing will make your work easier. I hope you like this video. If you have any question and inquiry, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.